So here's MYP2 Unit 3, Chapter 2, Types of Triangle. So again, this should be mostly revision. So an isosceles triangle. So that's the one with two equal sides, marked there with little double lines, and two equal angles that I've indicated there with the same colour. Two equal sides and two equal angles. If you're interested in the Danish name for that, that's ligebenet, literally equal-legged. And then I've drawn a little diagram to show how an isosceles triangle looks like a pair of equally sized legs. You've got an equilateral triangle, three equal sides, which I've marked with three little things there to show they're the same, and three equal angles. And because they're equal, they'll have to be 60 degrees each, because a triangle is always 180, and 180 divided by 3 is 60. Then I've put the Danish name for that underneath, if you're interested, and you should be. So literally equal-sided in Danish. And then a right-angled triangle, retvinklet in Danish, literally right-angled, has one 90-degree angle. And then an acute angled triangle. If you're talking about an acute angled triangle, we're talking about a triangle where all of the angles are under 90 degrees. So this one here that I've drawn is acute angled because everything's under 90 degrees. But an obtuse angled triangle has an angle over 90 degrees. So this one here that I've put the little smiley on, over 90 degrees. Now, of course, to have an angle that's over 90 degrees, since the whole thing only adds up to 180, it's got to have a couple of acute angles in it. So this is about making the point that although all triangles have at least one acute angle in them, they have to have them all under 90 for them to be called acute angled triangles. And then if there's one that's over 90, you can call it an obtuse angled triangle. And of course, as I said before, if you've got one that's got a 90-degree angle, then you can call it a right-angled triangle. Then there's another word, scalene, with three different sides and three different angles. So literally everything different, nothing equal at all.